Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, let us listen to the timeless words of wisdom from two of the greatest personalities in history, Prophet Muhammad, the final messenger of Allah, and Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, a.s., the cousin, son-in-law, and chosen successor of the Prophet. Their words are not just for Muslims, but for all of humanity. Prophet Muhammad said, "The strongest among you is the one who controls his anger." Prophet Muhammad said, "The best among you are those who are best to their families." Prophet Muhammad said, "The most beloved of deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if they are small." Imam Ali said, "Silence is the best reply to a fool." Imam Ali said, "Knowledge enlivens the soul." Imam Ali said, "Do not be a slave to others, when Allah has created you free." These words of wisdom from Prophet Muhammad and Imam Ali, a.s., guide us to control our anger, value silence, treat our families with kindness, seek knowledge, remain consistent in good deeds, and live with true freedom. If humanity follows these golden words, the world will become a place of peace, love, and justice. May Allah allow us to live by these teachings. Ameen. Sparkles and remember. One word of wisdom can change a life. One action of kindness can change the world. So start today, and be the change. Become a place of peace, love, and justice. Also subscribe, Religion of Islam, for more info.